Hello everyone and welcome back to easiest side hustle video which will pay you $1,000 every day, and I'm gonna show you how you can do this exactly using the power of ChatGPT. So the first step is we will head over to the sites google.com. Just enter this first website and click on blank site, and this will be your page which will pay you your first $1,000 online. So we will be filling it later. So first we need to find an article. So head over to Google Trends, just enter this first website, and here you can see you can change your country. I am using United States, so I will click on trending now. So that's all the trends in United States right now. So we will see that this has 1 million plus searches and this has 200k 100k searches. So just we will go to the first one which has the highest number of searches, and these are the articles you can see on this trend. So just we can also select any of the article from here. So you just click the first one. So here we are, just copy the title of this article and then just head over to ChatGPT. So here we need some plugins, so we will modify our ChatGPT. So just head over to web ChatGPT extension, enter this first website, click on get and add extension. It will automatically open your ChatGPT, and now you have web access and one-click prompt. And now we will be adding another plugin. Search for AIPRM extension, click the first website, click on get, add extension, and now you can see this is your ChatGPT with all the plugins. So here we will gonna use our first one-click prompt, which is human written 100% unique SEO optimized article. So just click on it, and now we need the title of that article. Also it has the web access, so it will automatically access the web and generate SEO optimized article. Just we will enter this title and click on generate, and here you see your SEO optimized article is generating. So this is the power of AI. So we need some editing in this article, like it has outlines, you can see it has the title, it has some headings, and also you can see it has FAQs. So what we're gonna do is now we will simply write a prompt to remove all these things. So brother ChatGPT, please remove FAQs and remove headings and outlines, and please make it more like article. Also please make it of 1500 words. Here your article is ready. There is no headings, no outlines, and no FAQs, so it is more likely like article. Copy all the text of this article and head over to Google site and paste your article here. And next you need to add your title here. So we will be copying the same title from the Google and paste it in our article. So because we have same headings, but our wordings of the articles is completely changed. So now you can easily add some images, you can adjust your text, and you can modify your article to look like very good looking. You can add images with text, and like this you can do multiple tasks. So next what we're gonna do is we will head over to CPA Lead. Just enter the first website, and let me tell you what CPA Lead actually is. So it is a cool affiliate network that give offers like sign up or survey or like registering yourself, and no need to buy any of their product. You just need to make people fill the survey or sign up with their account, or do any registration. So that's all, and you are getting paid. So just click on sign up and sign up with your Google account. After signing up, the first and most important step is to add the payment method, because without that we are not getting a single money. So first add your payment, like I have PayPal, Payoneer, which account you have, add here. I have PayPal, I am adding my PayPal account, and now we will head over to dashboard, and here you can see various offers. But first we are going to change our country, so click on view filters and change your country to United States, because our article is based on the trends which is in the US. Here you can change your payout from high to low or low to high, so make sure to keep it from high to low. And now this is the most important step. You need to select the offer, so be sure to select the offer which is easy to do and have a good amount of money. No need to select a very competitive with high amount of money. So we will be going with this mid one, which is a crypto money, and just it is a survey. So all you need to just click on the link, and here you will get the affiliate link. Just copy it, head over to your article, and after 2 paragraphs just paste that link here by writing something eye-catching or effective line like get free bitcoins. You don't actually get a free bitcoins, but it is kind of a lottery. So just you need to copy this line and at least paste that line in your article 4 times at least. So after 2 paragraphs just paste that line again and again, and at the end of that article. And here your article is now ready. You can add images to make it more professional and change text. So now just click on publish, and we will have to change the web address. So I'm copying the words from that article and changing our web page. So just click on publish, and now your article is published and publicly available. Just click on view to see it, and now all you need to do is to drive traffic to this article. So how we gonna do this? Like every time people will come and click on the link and fill the survey, you will be getting paid. So don't worry about the traffic. We will be using some platforms to drive traffic to your article. So first just head over to Facebook and click on the groups, and just go to your article, and let me check. This is a team name, Chicago Bears. So just copy this and head over to Facebook and search for Chicago Bears group, and make sure to turn on the public group button. And here you can see it has 4.6 members, 4.2 members, and below you can see it has 67k members. So just join these kind of groups and post your article and promote there. All you need to do is to create a post and write something like, hey, check out this article 2023 on Chicago Bears update, and head over to your article, copy the link and paste your link here and post. And now repeat the same process by posting your article link to all these groups to drive a large amount of traffic to your article. Also you can promote your article on YouTube. So just head over to YouTube and search for Chicago Bears, and here you can see a latest videos of Chicago Bears team, and it has a lot of views. So just enter this video, and in the comment sections just write something like, hey guys, check out this article on latest Chicago Bears update, and add your affiliate link and click on comment. Every time when someone clicks on your link, he will be head over to your article, The third way you can promote is to just head over to medium.com, and this is the platform where millions of users are available. So here you just need to click on create, and here you need to add your title first, and then you can tell your story. You can add a lot of other things. You can add images to make it look very professional. So just like this, click on publish and your story will be published. So that's all from today. I hope you like this video. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay up to date on all my latest videos on AI tools and how to earn using AI.